Making a delicious vegan fettuccine Alfredo is a wonderful way to enjoy a classic comfort food while keeping it plant-based. The key to a great vegan Alfredo is creating a rich, creamy, and flavorful sauce that mimics the dairy version. Here's a general guide on how to make it, with popular sauce options. The vegan Alfredo sauce. The most common and successful vegan Alfredo sauces are made with a base of either cashews, coconut milk, or a combination of the two. 1. Cashew-based Alfredo sauce, most popular. This is a favorite for its creamy texture and neutral flavor. Ingredients: raw cashews, soaked. Water or unsweetened unflavored plant-based milk, almond, soy, or oat milk work well. Nutritional yeast for a cheesy, savory flavor. Garlic, fresh or roasted. Lemon juice, salt and pepper. Optional: onion, white miso paste for umami, or a pinch of nutmeg. Instructions: soak the cashews. This is a crucial step for a smooth sauce. Soak raw cashews in water for at least 4-8 hours, or for a quicker method, boil them in water for about 15-20 minutes. Drain and rinse the cashews before using. Sauté aromatics, optional but recommended. In a pan, sauté minced garlic and diced onion in a little olive oil or vegan butter until soft and fragrant. Blend the sauce. Combine the soaked cashews, plant-based milk, nutritional yeast, lemon juice, salt, pepper, and the sautéed garlic and onion, if using, in a high-speed blender. Blend until smooth. Blend on high speed until the sauce is completely smooth and creamy. This may take a few minutes. If the sauce is too thick, add a little more plant-based milk or water until you reach your desired consistency. 2. Coconut milk-based Alfredo sauce. This method is quick and easy as it doesn't require soaking nuts. Be sure to use full-fat canned coconut milk for the creamiest result. Ingredients: full-fat canned coconut milk, garlic, nutritional yeast, salt and pepper. Optional: a small amount of cornstarch, tapioca starch, or a little olive oil or vegan butter. Instructions: heat the sauce. In a saucepan, combine the coconut milk, minced garlic, nutritional yeast, salt, and pepper. Simmer and thicken. Heat the mixture over medium-low heat, whisking frequently. The sauce will thicken as it heats. If you want a thicker sauce, you can add a slurry of cornstarch or tapioca starch mixed with a little water and whisk it in. Combine and serve. Once the sauce is at your desired consistency, it's ready to be tossed with your pasta. 3. Other sauce bases. Cauliflower. Steamed cauliflower florets can be blended with other ingredients to create a creamy sauce. Tofu. Silken tofu, blended with plant milk and seasonings, can also create a light and creamy Alfredo sauce. Putting it all together, making the fettuccine Alfredo. Ingredients: fettuccine pasta. Check the label to ensure it's vegan, as some brands contain egg. Your chosen vegan Alfredo sauce. Reserved pasta water. Optional mix-ins and garnishes: sautéed mushrooms, steamed broccoli, cherry tomatoes, baby spinach, vegan chicken strips, fresh parsley, vegan Parmesan cheese, or red pepper flakes. Instructions: cook the pasta. Bring a large pot of heavily salted water to a boil. Add the fettuccine and cook according to the package instructions until al dente, tender but still firm to the bite. Reserve pasta water. Before you drain the pasta, scoop out and reserve at least 1/2 to 1 cup of the starchy pasta water. The starch in the water helps the sauce cling to the noodles and makes it silkier. Combine the pasta and sauce. Drain the pasta and return it to the pot. Pour the prepared vegan Alfredo sauce over the hot pasta. Toss and thin. Toss the pasta and sauce together to coat evenly. If the sauce is too thick, add a tablespoon or 2 of the reserved pasta water at a time until you reach your desired consistency. The hot pasta and starchy water will help emulsify the sauce. Add vegetables, protein. If you're adding any mix-ins like sautéed mushrooms or steamed broccoli, add them to the pot and toss to combine. Serve and garnish. Divide the pasta into bowls and top with fresh parsley, black pepper, or a sprinkle of vegan Parmesan cheese. Serve immediately.